May nagsabing, when plan A does not work, don't worry, there are 25 other letters in the alphabet. The important thing is that I have one. Welcome back to the channel, right here, and I will be sharing how I plan my do-it-yourself hydroponic setup as I continue my exciting journey into the world of hydroponics. summary, nakagawa tayo ng plano for our DIY hydroponics setup with the following components. Dalawang slatted angle bar na poste, a supporting structure for our 4-layer PVC pipes arranged in C-type configuration. Each PVC pipe is 10 feet in length. The PVC pipe on the 3rd and 4th layers are connected by 2 elbows and a 10-inch pipe, while similar connections are made between the 1st and 2nd layers. Puputol tayo ng 8 pieces 12-inch slatted angle bar na magsisilbing frame na may angle bar support to secure the PVC pipes in place. The nutrient solution and pump will be located in a designated area. Drainage for the 1st and 2nd layers will be directed to one outlet. Same with the drain for the 3rd and 4th layers. Parehong papunta sa ating nutrient solution box. Our pump will be connected to a 1/2-inch pipe, an elbow, and a 5-inch extension with 4 microtubes, 2 on each, for the 4th and 2nd layers that will distribute the nutrient solution. Ngayon, ang focus natin is on the installation process. We'll be assembling the post and the frames, setting up the pipes, and incorporating the C-type configuration. That means a series of elbows. Maglalagay din tayo ng end caps here and here. To ensure proper drainage, we'll be drilling holes at the bottom. Additionally, we'll create opening here for the nutrient solution. The entire setup will stand an impressive 5 feet in height, with each level positioned at 1 feet distance from the ground, resulting in an overall height of 2 feet. As we wrap up this journey of choice hydroponic setup, ang sarap lang isipin na every step I take today is a leap forward to a vibrant and green future. Salamat sa pagsama sa akin in starting my plant-filled adventure. Let's embrace the process, relish the moments, and watch as our hydroponic garden blossom into a heaven of happiness. So tara, let's grow some greens.